Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to this September 2018 Vantage Coupe. With its one owner and 9,650 miles from new, this car was specified in lightning silver with a contrasting black roof and contrasting black body pack on the front diffuser, side sill and rear splitters. Moving round to the side of the vehicle, you can see the window surround is also in a matte finish black, part of the exterior black pack which included the front grille mesh. Also the 20-inch black diamond turned directional wheels and the optional black brake calipers to finish off the look. Moving around the back of the car, we can also see this vehicle has the Aston Martin quad exhaust system and also a body coloured rear diffuser. Going on into the boot of the vehicle, and probably one of the party pieces for Vantage is its boot space. We have the service book, of which the vehicle was serviced twice off the service pack. So we have the first service which was done exactly a year after, which was the August in 19 at 5,700 miles, and its second service which was just done recently at 9,500 miles in August this year. 3 more services will be left on the service package for the next keeper as part of the 5-year service plan. Hopefully you agree that lightning silver really sort of shows off the lines and the details of the vehicle, particularly with the contrasting black roof and also the lower body pack on the vehicle as well. Moving on into the interior, this car was also specified with the keyless entry and keyless go, along with the Sports Plus pack interior, which gave you these lovely contoured seats with the shoulder support, and also the almost square and now becoming famous Aston steering wheel. Contrasting silver stitch across the doors and also onto the seats, along with your headrest logo of the Aston Martin wings. These earlier Vantages, this has also had the centre armrest closed stowage done, glass switches with a gloss black vent surrounds and the satin silver dials, rotaries for your air conditioning. This car was also specified with cruise control and speed limiter and electric steering column, heated seats and memory seats. This car also benefits from all the new standard features that the Aston range has since undertaken from DB11 with the 360 surround cameras, and it is available on our website for a £99 reservation deposit on hwm-astonmartin.co.uk, or if you want further information, please call the showroom or email. Thank you.